Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Drive and making sure you're signed into the account you want to share from. Once signed in, enable Wi-Fi or mobile data so uploads won't stall. Then locate the images in your Photos or Files app. You'll upload them next. Make sure you have at least a few megabytes free in Drive before you continue. This sets up upload permissions and prevents interruption, so the next steps move smoothly and quickly. Now tap the plus icon in Drive and choose Upload, then navigate to the folder containing your photos. Select one or multiple images by tapping thumbnails. Confirm selection to begin uploading. Watch the progress bar and wait until every file shows uploaded. If any fail, tap Retry. If you're uploading many files, upload in smaller batches to avoid timeouts. Once upload's complete, navigate to the Drive. Long press the photo or folder in Drive and tap Get Link. Make sure you change access from restricted to anyone with the link if you want public sharing. Otherwise, choose specific people and add emails. Tap Copy Link and then paste it into your chat, email, or post. If recipients can't open the link, make sure the account is synced, the file finished uploading, and the link access is correct. Adjusting sharing settings usually resolves access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.